Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting from Google Sheets because this is the reliable path. Open the file you control, then choose File, Download, Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This produces an editable Excel workbook that preserves most data and layout. Once downloaded, make sure hidden sheets or protected ranges are visible because they often get omitted or altered during conversion. Also check that collaborators finished edits, otherwise you'll pull partial or conflicting data. Do this first so the rest of the process works smoothly. You now open the downloaded XLSX in Excel, prefer desktop Excel for full features. Once open, scan formulas. Google-specific functions like array formula, query, and Google Finance won't translate. Replace them with Excel equivalents, filter, XLOOKUP, Power Query, or formulas. Next, review charts and pivot tables because axis or data ranges can shift. Make sure named ranges still point correctly. If you have scripts, note they don't convert. Plan to rebuild macros with VBA or Office scripts. These conversions finish by saving your workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint so you retain version history and autosave. Rebuild any automation. Convert Google Apps script into VBA or Office scripts as needed and validate outputs against the original sheet. Make sure data types, dates, numbers, percentages display correctly and test key calculations. If something goes wrong, the quickest troubleshooting step is to compare row counts and key ID columns between the Google export and your Excel file to spot missing or misaligned ranges. Fix those ranges, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.